good, YouTube? This is my little brother, and he's about to take the cinnamon challenge right quick. Oh man, I did it and it was fucking terrible. Wait, hold on. Go by the sink. Okay, I swear to God, you're gonna spit it out. Okay. Ready? Go. Swallow it. Swallow it. Ah, shit. I told you it was fucking horrible.
Oh, God.
Oh, shit. What was it like?
Poor, but sad. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
Get some water.
Oh, God. Oh, wait.
Oh, shit. Man, that shit is horrible. I don't know what it is, but it's like, you can't get it in your mouth. You can't swallow it. It's fucking horrible. Holy shit. Oh, that's brutal. Sorry. Well, that was my brother Taylor taking the cinnamon challenge. He failed. I'll be asking all my family members to take the cinnamon challenge and see how they do. He didn't do so well. Sorry, bro. Alright. Bye.